Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration BK70DXC. Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS Crew Cab Limited L1 Manual Inc. VAT. It has done 121,000 miles with full service history and 2 owners from new. The van comes with 2 keys, air conditioning, electric windows, heated seats, DAB radio, Bluetooth, parking sensors, heated windscreen, cruise control, 6-speed manual. This black limited crew cab comes with great spec, is in clean condition, and is ready for work or conversion. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.